If you want to make sure the person you're messaging is really who they claim to be, your iPhone 17 has a powerful security feature called Contact Key Verification. This feature lets you manually verify contacts by comparing verification codes, helping protect your conversations from impersonation or interception. Here's how to enable Contact Key Verification on the iPhone 17 series. First, open the Settings app. Tap your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple account settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom section, then tap Contact Key Verification. Next, tap the switch next to Verification in iMessage to turn the feature on. A setup wizard will appear. Read the quick overview of the feature, then tap Continue to proceed. Wait for your iPhone to finish setting up Contact Key Verification. This may take a few minutes. To avoid setup errors, make sure that all devices connected to your Apple account are running the latest software version. If any device isn't updated, you may need to update it or remove it from your account first. Once the setup is complete, the Verification in iMessage switch will remain enabled, indicating that the feature is now active. You will also see an option labeled Show Contact Verification Code. Tap it to generate your unique verification code. You can then copy the code and share it with your trusted contacts through Messages or another text-based app so they can confirm they're really communicating with you. If you ever want to stop using Contact Key Verification, simply return to this menu and turn off the Verification in iMessage switch. And that's it! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Also, consider watching our other videos to learn more useful features of your new iPhone 17 smartphone. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.